Hello everyone, today we will be doing Leetcode question number 517 super washing machines. This problem is categorized as hard problem, but if you go through the video, you will find this as medium problem question. So let's try to understand this problem using an example. So here we have given some washing machines, and for each washing machine there are some a number of dresses we have. For example, here the first washing machine has one, second washing machine has zero, and third washing machine has five dresses. Our target is to make all the dresses equally distributed between these washing machines. So let's try to understand this. So the question is distribute dresses equally among washing machines with minimum number of moves. And what are the moves here? Moves here are in each move we can transfer one dress between adjacent machines only. So let's find out whether we can first equally distribute the dresses between these washing machines or not. For example, the total number of dresses here are 1 plus 0 plus 5, 6. 6 number of dresses divided by 3 washing machines. So 6 by 3 is 2. So our current target is 2. Each washing machine should contain 2 dresses here. So let's go through this example. Here the first washing machine contains only one dress. So our target is 2. So we cannot move any dresses out from here. And going to next washing machine, here we have 0 number of dresses. Again, we cannot move any dresses out of here because it is less than target. But coming to third number of washing machine, we have 5 dresses, but actually it needed only 2 dresses, so we have 3 extra. So in the first move what we will do is we will move one dress, because in each move we can move only one dress between the adjacent machines. This is what the condition we have. So we will move one dress here. So after moving one dress, the number of dresses will be 1 1 and 4. So we have completed one move. Next, in the second move, again I'll move one dress from here. Next, now it will become 1, and also I'll move one dress from here as well. So and this will now be having 2, and this after giving this dress to the first machine, this becomes 0, but it gets another dress from the third machine, so it will become 1, and here it will be 3. So this is the second move. Now again, we will move one dress from here, one dress, so 2 2 and 2. So our final answer is 3. In 3 moves we can make all the dresses equally among the washing machines. So let's try to do understand this better with another example. 0 in the first washing machine we have 0 dresses, second we have 3, and third we have 0. So total number of dresses here is the 0 plus 3 plus 0 is 3 divided by 3. So the target here we have is 1. Each washing machine should contain only one dress. Now let's try to draw lines and understand this better. What I will do is, in the first move I'll take out one dress from this washing machine. So the next the move will become 1 2 and 0. Here we cannot take another dress from here, since because we are already taking out one. We are already taken out one dress from here. So it will be in the first move, the number of dresses will be 1, 2 and 0. In the second move, we will move out one dress from here to here. Now the total number of dresses will become 1, 1 and 1. So total number of moves we made is 2. Answer will be 2 here. Now let's take another example. Here we have 303. Total number of dresses are 3 plus 0 plus 3. 6. 6 divided by 3 will become 2. So what we can do is, here we can move directly one dress from this washing machine to this, and this to this. One dress from here, one dress from here, 2 2 this will become 2, one from here, one from here, and 2. So in a one move we are able to make it the number of dresses equal, so the answer will be 1. Let's take another example which will fail actually. So let's take 1 and 2 and 3. So total number of dresses we have is 3 plus 2 plus 1, 5. 5 divided by 3, 5 divided by 3, we will have some remainder. So if the remainder is not equal to 0, we have to return minus 1 as answer. So we cannot distribute this equally. Okay, let's try to understand. Let's try to understand this with the help of the logic here.
Now let's try to understand with these three washing machines here. Here the first washing machine contains one dress, second washing machine contains 5 dresses, third washing machine contains 0 dresses. So total dresses are 1 plus 5 plus 0. 6 divided by number of washing machines 3. So we have target 2. Each washing machine should contain 2 number of dresses. So let's think. Let's go to the first washing machine here. Um, so we'll also maintain an array which keep tracks of the number of moves we made. You'll understand better as we go through the logic. So we have a move array. Now coming here, so here the target is 2. This should contain 2 dresses, but this has only 1. So what we will do here is we will take the remaining amount of dresses from the adjacent washing machines. The adjacent washing machine can contain less number of dresses, or it can contain more number of dresses. We don't care about it. We just take the number of required dresses from the adjacent machine. So what we will do is, since we are moving some number of dresses from this machine to this machine, we will write move array. In the move array, that is move of not I plus 1, we will increase the number of uh, uh, dresses we are transferring. That is target is 2, 2 minus machines of I. This will give a number of moves we made. So here target is 2, 2 minus machines of I is 1. So 2 minus 1 will move array will contain 1 here as of now. After this, what we'll do is we have to decrease the number of dresses we have taken from this machine, right? So we'll decrease the number of dresses for this machine. Machines of I plus 1 minus equal to target minus machines of I. Now what we have done is we have decreased the number of dresses. Here initially 5 dresses, 5 minus 1. So this will now contain 4 dresses. Now let's go to the third step. So in the third step, what we will do is we will just set this machine to number of dresses we require. So machines of I is equal to target. We'll just make machines of I is equal to target. Now we have made this washing machine to 2. This will contain 2 dresses now. Now coming to the second washing machine. Second washing machine now contains 4 dresses, since we have given 1 dress to this. Now this contains 2 dresses. So what we will do is, since we have 2 more than target, we will give these 2 dresses to the next machine. So the next machine will also have 2 number of dresses, and then all the washing machines will be equal number of dresses. So in the first step, what we will do is, since we are giving 2 dresses to the next washing machine, we will increase the move of the current machine plus equal to machines of I minus target. So move of I, machines of I is 4 minus target 2. So 2. Already we have move of 1 from here. Already we have move of 1 plus 2. So current move for this machine will be 3. Okay. So next step would be we have to increase the number of dresses. Since we have moved 2 dresses from this machine to this machine, we will increase the number of dresses for this machine. Therefore machines of I plus 1 increasing the number of addresses to the adjacent machine plus equal to how much we are increasing is machines of I, that is a current machine number of addresses minus target. And final step would be at the same step like machines of I is equal to target. In this way, we are able to make all the three washing machines to distributing all the addresses equally among these three washing machines. So now let's go to the code. Here you will understand better. So I've already written a few code here. So let me zoom in. So what are we doing is we are just creating few variables which contain the sum of all the addresses we have. And the current target is 0. N is the machines number of machines and result initially is 0. In this for loop, we are calculating the initial sum. So sum is equal to sum plus machines of I. So it will contain total number of addresses. Now, if suppose sum is 10, if suppose sum is sum 6 divided by number of washing machines are 3, it will have a remainder 0. So we will not return anything from here. If we have sum is 7 divided by percentile 3, it will have a remainder. So then it will be returning -1 from here. If sum is equal to 0 also, then also we will return 0. Now calculating the target. What is the target? Target is total sum. For example, 6 number of dresses divided by total number of washing machines. 6 by 3, it is 2. Its target is 2. And also we have created a move array which will store the number of moves. Now here we will create a for loop of int I equal to 0, I less than n minus 1. Here we will be taking not I less than n but n minus 1. Since we can see here we are just making addresses equal in these two washing machines only. In the last washing machine it will automatically get set to the target since we are passing these addresses to this machine. So we will do at just n minus 1 only. Next is I plus plus. Now in this for loop we have two cases, like if machines of I is less than target. If the current number of dresses in the washing machine is less than target, what are we doing? Let's try to copy the code from here itself. We are we have copied the code from there. Right, add semicolon here, and finally we are doing machines of I is equal to target. Okay. Else what are we doing? Else if the current washing machine has more number of dresses than the target, we will simply uh, copy this code here, adding semicolon, and same we are making machines of I is equal to target. But where are we setting the result here? We have the result 0. So now result will be result is equal to max of result comma move of I plus 1. Since we are increasing the moves of setting the moves of the next machine when it is less than the target, so we will check here move of I plus 1, not move of I. And let me copy the same here, matrix of here it will be move of I only, since if it is more we are moving out the number of addresses. So this will be move of I. Now finally we will return the result. Hopefully this works. It got accepted. Let me submit, and yes, so it successfully got submitted. Hope you understand this video, and thank you for being patient.